was a very fast stage. I mean, the average was around 130, 140 kilometers an hour. On farm roads, sometimes very wide farm roads, fences on left and right, and many spectators, amazing. It was a okay outcome, not brilliant, but we finished fourth today, only 1 minute something behind the leader. It's a good start. I mean, we're top 4, top 5, and close to the leaders. Tomorrow will be a difficult day, very long special, and I think it's a difficult special, the longest of the race in one piece, and the starting position is very good for tomorrow.
Yeah, obviously it's something that suited our cars. Just unfortunate we caught one of the buggies after 10 kilometers, and there's just nowhere to park. So we rode in his dust for 140 kilometers, and just nothing we can do. So, but luckily we got to the end and we survived the first day.